Hi, I'm Dale Marie. This is my first cooking video. Today I'm going to make a casserole that my mother made for us kids in the 1960s and 70s. She originally got the recipe from my great aunt. My mom slightly altered it. So I found the original recipe, so at some point I want to make that one too. But today I'm going to make it the way my mother made it for us long ago. Hope you enjoy it. Okay, I have my oven preheating to 350 degrees. And then we're going to boil, you can see that, we're going to boil 1 pound of elbow macaroni. Okay. In this pan I have 1 tablespoon, about 1 tablespoon of olive oil, and I'm going to saute 1/2 of a green bell pepper, 1/2 of an onion, and 2 cloves of garlic, diced up and minced. Okay. So we're going to saute those for a little bit. And you can add a little more onion or bell pepper, however you like it, but this is how I like it. Okay. It didn't cut very well. Okay. Okay, next we're going to add 1.5 pounds of ground beef. Okay, without the plastic. Okay. All right, so I will let this fry up a little bit. I'm gonna chop it all up and let it brown a little bit, and then I'll be back. Okay, so I have the meat mixture browned and I drained the fat, and over here the noodles are cooked and drained. Next we're going to add, just a minute please. Okay, next we're going to add 2 cans of condensed tomato soup. And we're not going to add water. just the condensed soup. Okay. Okay, next we're going to add Worcestershire sauce, about 2 teaspoons. And then you can salt and pepper to taste. Okay. All right, mix that all up. And it was a good thing I turned the camera off earlier when I did, because you missed when I flung a whole bunch of meat mixture all over the stove. I say oops a lot when I cook, and if you hear me say that, that just means don't do what I just did, and you'll be fine. Okay. So I mix that together real well. Okay. All right. So now that that's mixed, it's time to put together the casserole. All right. This is clean, it's ancient, it looks sturdy. That's the way it is in my house. Okay, so we're going to start with half of the noodles in the bottom of the casserole dish. Out like that. And then we're going to add half of the meat mixture. Like that. Okay, spread that around. Okay, so next we're going to add about 1/4 cup of grated Parmesan cheese. And you can add as much or as little as you like. Okay, and then oh, I forgot one thing. Okay, then next you're going to put in 1 can of cream style corn. Spread that around. Oops, I got the tomato sauce on there. That's okay. All right. Then we're going to repeat. So, the rest of the noodles. Oh, we're going to do the second layer a little bit different. First the noodles, then the meat, okay, and then we're going to skip the cheese for now and just put in another can of cream corn. And then we're going to top it with the rest of the Parmesan cheese. Okay. And now we bake it in the oven at 350 for 30 minutes. And oh, that was me putting the lid in the can. And it's done. Okay, I'll be back. Okay. Okay, the casserole is out of the oven. This is what it looks like on the inside. And then if you want to sprinkle more Parmesan cheese on it, some people like a lot of cheese. Okay, and we usually serve it with the salad and some extra sourdough bread. And there you go. All right, bye for now.